Hey, it's Tom here from Cabin Fever Company, and we're going to be assembling the portable bar weight shelf. And basically, what I'm showing you now is that it lines up with two lines on one side and one line on the other. They'll be found on the edge with the threaded inserts. This is your wooden locating peg. It's going to go into the corresponding hole. You can wiggle it in, push it down. There's a little room either side to side to give you a little wiggle room to push it down. You might have to hit it with lightly hit it with a hammer. But, given a medium amount of pressure, you should be able to wiggle it in. Okay. Now we're going to look at your other piece, which is a little bit narrower. And it has the same holes. And we're going to line up the edges and pop it in. And then you're going to see your double lines line up. Let's just show you what's going on here. Here's a little illustration of what's going on. You might want to pause or come back, but basically you want everything to line up. So you see the bottom, side to side, it's going to line up. So that's what I'm going to be doing with my fingers. I'm just going to kind of feel for it. Feel both sides, and you'll know that they are flush. The other way you'll know they're flush is once you turn it upside down to see these pre-drilled holes. You'll pop your screw in, and it should be able to just be hand screwed in. So tighten it as much as you can with just your fingers, and then do the final tightening with a screwdriver. If you're having a lot of problem, like having to exert a lot of force to screw the hole or screw into the hole, then your shelf probably isn't lined up quite right. There's a little bit of room side to side. Then basically just feel again with your fingers on the edge, make sure everything's lined up and parallel and flush, and then try again. So now we're just gonna basically do your final tightening. And if you're confused about why this has to be assembled, this is the most efficient way to ship it, and the only way to ship it because it's such a large item. Typical to other like IKEA style furniture where you have to put it together. Anyway, there you go. There's our fancy little logo, and you are ready to assemble your portable bar. So just go grab your pole. Add your L brackets. There's just two of them with 2 screws. And this thing is sturdy and ready to go to phase 2, assembling the walls, shelf, and pole. All right. Thanks for watching.